Now this next example will help us review the three types of linear systems that we may encounter. And we're going to do this by looking at the relationship between the graphs and the system. Now you recall, if you have the graphs of two lines, you have three possibilities for how they might be related to each other. The two lines could intersect in exactly one point, which is system number 1 here. The lines could be parallel, which is system number 2, or the two lines could turn out to be the same line or coincide, which is system number 3. Now we're going to use the words inconsistent, consistent, dependent, and independent as descriptors for each of these systems. Now if the two lines have any point in common at all, we can describe the system as being consistent. So we can use that word for system number 1 and also for system number 3. Now if the two lines have no points in common, in fact are parallel, we use the descriptor inconsistent, which would apply then to system number 2. Now if we move on to the words independent and dependent, independent would refer to a system where the two lines intersect in exactly one point, so that would be the descriptor for system number 1. And dependent refers to a system where the two lines are the same, so we can use that for system number 3. So to review, if the two lines in the system intersect in exactly one point, we can refer to the system as being consistent and independent. If the two lines are parallel, meaning they have no points in common, the only descriptor we can use is inconsistent for that system. And if the two lines turn out to be the same, we can refer to the system as being consistent and dependent.